You've probably heard this one while food is heating up. Step back. The microwave is dangerous. It sounds serious. Radiation feels scary, and microwaves use radiation, so people assume standing nearby must be harmful. But here's what's really going on. Microwaves use non-ionizing radiation, which is very different from the kind that damages DNA. The energy is designed to stay inside the appliance and heat food by vibrating water molecules. Modern microwaves are heavily shielded. If the door is closed and the seal is intact, the radiation stays inside. That is why safety standards exist, and why microwaves are tested before being sold. If standing near a microwave were dangerous, kitchens would be a major health risk. They aren't. So why does this warning stick around? Before this gets misunderstood, let's be clear. A damaged microwave is a different situation. If the door seal is broken or the appliance is malfunctioning, it should not be used. But a normal, functioning microwave does not harm you if you stand nearby. Here's the takeaway. Microwaves are safe when used as intended. Distance does not add protection in normal use. The danger is not the radiation. It is ignoring basic appliance safety. The fear sounds scientific. The reality is much more boring. What should we debunk next?